Everyone thinks they're using Grok for free right now, but that's not true anymore. Most of those free tools you're seeing on YouTube are already now paid, but there's one underrated AI tool still giving high-quality 12-second videos for free, and almost no one is talking about it. Here's how it actually works. And this is where it gets crazy. You don't just get free credits once, you can keep generating them again and again. I'll show you how it works. So, let's get started. First, go to the website. At the top, click on Try AI Solution. It will open a new page. Now, at the top, you'll see options like Explore, Models, Apps, Template, and Showcase. From here, click on Models, just wait. Once it loads, you'll see two main sections, video generation and image generation. And inside this platform, there are different types of models, vision models and LLM models. Now, here's the important part. In LLM models, almost every model gives you around 500,000 free credits. And in vision models, most of them give you up to 2 million free credits, except a few, like Seedance 2.0 Fast. These don't give free credits. Now let me show you how to generate videos. First, select a video model. I'm using Seedance 1.0 Pro Fast because it gives the highest quality output. Now you can upload a reference image and enter your prompt. For now, I'm not adding any detailed prompt, just showing it for testing. Here, you can also customize everything: aspect ratio, resolution up to 1080p, duration up to 12 seconds, and even quantity, meaning you can generate multiple videos at once. Now click generate and just look at the result. The quality is seriously impressive. You might notice a watermark, but here's the trick. You can remove it for free using any watermark removal website or simple masking and editing tools, so that's not really a problem. Now let's move to image generation part. Select an image model. I'm choosing Dream 5.0 Lite. Just for testing, let's generate a simple image, like a monkey. Here you'll find multiple options to customize your image. Click on Configure. You'll see a lot of options: resolution, aspect ratio, image size, format, watermark settings, and more. Now take a look at how incredible the image quality is. Once it's ready, click on the image and you'll get editing options, where you can change it however you want. And the same flexibility is available for videos as well. Here is the most important part: how people are creating unlimited accounts for free. First, log out of your account. Then, go to the website for bulk mail generation, and here you find the Gmail tool. Select it, enter your main email, select the category as you want. I choose subscription, choose how many emails you want, for example 10, and click generate. Now copy any one of those emails, go back to the platform, select username or email sign up, paste the email, and create a password. Then go to your main email inbox. You'll receive a verification code. Copy it, paste it here, and click verify. After that, solve the simple puzzle, and that's it. Your new account is ready. So yeah, this is one of the most underrated AI platforms right now. Massive free credits, high quality output, and almost no limitations. If you use it properly, you can create content at scale, AI videos, AI images, everything, and stay ahead of everyone else still searching for free tools. Check the tools link I used in this video in the pinned comment section. Thanks for watching.